In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces using Canva in just a few easy steps. This fun and creative tool can help you design unique images by swapping faces seamlessly, and it's not as complicated as it might sound. First, let's get started by opening your Canva project. If you haven't already, log into your Canva account and go to the specific project you'd like to work on. Remember, if you're new to Canva or need to create a new project, you can start by selecting a design template that fits your needs. Once you're in your project, make sure your workspace is clear and ready for editing. The next step involves inserting the two faces you want to swap. To do this, navigate to the Apps section on Canva. It's located on the left toolbar, where you can integrate various tools to enhance your design. You're going to search for Face Swap in the search bar. This app is specifically created for swapping faces, making it both easy to use and effective. Once you've found Faces Swap, go ahead and open it. You'll be prompted to upload the two faces you wish to swap. Ensure that these images are clear and of high quality, since better image quality will yield better results in face swapping. When you're selecting the images, consider factors like lighting and angle for a more realistic swap. Once you've uploaded the images into the app, it's time to initiate the swap by clicking on the Swap Faces button. Now here comes the part where you might need to exercise a little patience. Depending on your internet connection and the complexity of the images, the swapping process may take some time. While you're waiting, you can use this moment to imagine the final outcome or consider other design elements you might want to incorporate into your project once face swapping is complete. And just like that, you're all done. With a bit of creativity and perhaps a touch of imagination, you'll have a polished, eye-catching image featuring your swapped faces. You can now download your newly created image or incorporate it further into your existing design project within Canva. This tool opens up a world of possibilities for your visual storytelling, turning ordinary pictures into extraordinary creations. Whether you're using this for personal projects or want to add a unique twist to your professional designs, face swapping with Canva is an accessible and entertaining way to bring your ideas to life. So go ahead and explore the endless possibilities that come with designing creatively in Canva. Thanks for joining me today to learn about this exciting feature. Happy designing!